Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Nowadays most of the users are moving towards the custom ROMs, and on custom ROMs people also request about Oneplus stock applications. So in this video we have few applications which can be installed on any custom ROM and also on other smartphones. First of all, huge thanks to Modules Repo Telegram channel from where we got these ported applications, and these applications can now be installed on any smartphone running custom ROM or stock ROM. So here you can see towards the right hand side, this is my Oneplus 60 which is currently running on the stock OS, which is Oxygen OS 11, and towards the left hand side here we have Oneplus 5 which is running on the custom ROM based on Android 12. So all the files can be found in the description below. Just download them. It's a zip file. First you need to unzip it and later you'll have all the stock Oneplus APK. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video, and also still we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified. So here you can see on my Oneplus 5 I have all the APKs here, which includes calculator, clock, file manager, gallery, messaging, notes, recorder, weather application, widgets and Zen mode. Zen mode is not fully functional, but still you guys can try it out. And guys, we also get lot many requests about the Oneplus stock dialer for the Oneplus smartphone which comes with Google Dialer pre-installed. So in that case, we have made a dedicated video, and that dialer app can be installed on devices running Oxygen OS 12. For Oxygen OS 11, we have a separate video, but after installing, make sure to watch the complete video, because in the video I mentioned how Oneplus stock dialer works. So both the video links can also be found in the description below. Now starting off with the applications, so here you can see you just need to unzip the file and install them manually one by one. So I have already installed all the applications like clock, calculator, etc. Now if you open the application, so here we have the calculator app. As you can see here, it is fully functional with no issues, and the same thing goes with the Oneplus Gallery app. Here we have all the images. I'm not sure whether story mode will work, but you guys can try out. Stories take 7 days to get generated. Then you also have notes application, which also I have installed on my Oneplus 5 running Android 12. And these applications should work on any Android version. And guys, if one of the application doesn't work, let us know in the comment section below, or you can join that official Telegram group where these applications have been ported. And here we have the messaging app from Oneplus, which is working fine on my Oneplus 5. Also talking about the widgets, so you need to install the Oneplus widget app manually, similar to other applications. After that, you'll have these 3 widgets in the widget section, and all the 3 widgets work fine. Here we have the weather application. So as you can see here, no issues while refreshing the weather data. You can add different cities. So now talking about the Zen mode, just simply install the APK. Later you can also find the Zen mode quick setting tile in the quick setting panel. You just have to drag and drop. Also you'll find an APK installed, and from here you can use the Zen mode, though you won't be able to use your Oneplus account. So there are few limitations, but yes, right now these are the applications which can be installed on any smartphone running custom ROMs or stock ROM. And at last we also have the Oneplus stock recorder application. I did a recording to try it out, and there were no issues recording my audio. So guys, these are some of the Oneplus stock applications which can be installed on any custom ROM or even stock OS. Just download and install them manually and you'll be good to go. In past, we have been seeing lot many requests regarding Oneplus stock applications on custom ROM. And if you're looking for the stock dialer for Oneplus phones, then you can follow the video guide given in the description below. I hope these apps will be good enough for people who are on custom ROMs and still want to use Oneplus stock applications. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.